Update magazine. With me here is Mr. Farid Khan, who is the Director and CEO at Profine India Window Technology Private Limited. Thank you for your time with us, sir.
Thank you, Thank you.
So, how's the expo here, and like what are the products that you're showcasing here at Zak?
So this time, this particular show, what we are doing is a very unique one because after uPVC, we ventured into aluminium, and then after aluminium, side by side we also introduced polymer composite sheets. And so this particular exhibition is having one of the most innovative product range of Koemmerling, as well as it's the first time we are displaying something very different for this market. So it's a complete fenestration solution, what we are providing for this complete market.
Okay, so what are you displaying here, or what are you launching here? Can we
So in terms of first thing, what we did was that our brand alupure, which was there for aluminium systems, now we have taken it under the global brand umbrella of Koemmerling. Okay, so now alupure is no more alupure; it's now Koemmerling aluminium system. For the first time in the stand of ours, we have displayed a big range of aluminum systems. Like for example, some systems are known as velour, some systems are known as opalins. There are a lot of sliding systems with railing options. For the first time in this exhibition, we are highlighting facade systems. So we are also highlighting skylight systems, what is there on the top. Okay, so that is something which is in aluminium. In terms of sheets, we are displaying a lot of solutions for furnitures, for doors, for architraves. In terms of uPVC, we have launched a new system for this particular market. So a lot of investments, a lot of global positioning has gone into the stand what you see presently.
Great. So you mentioned about global positioning, but the products that you've launched here, are they all customized for the Indian market, or how?
Yes, so this product what you're seeing right now is only and only for the Indian market.
Okay.
Okay, but some of the products have been successful in Middle East market. We are also exporting aluminum systems as well as uPVC systems to Southeast Asian markets. Okay, we are also selling some of our systems in South American market. So this product, I would say, the first major forte is India, but this is quite acceptable in other parts of the world also.
So that said, like, how do you see the adoption of aluminium and uPVC windows and doors in India? Is it going up, or like what are the key drivers behind this adoption?
This is a very tough question from your side to me because initially we were pioneers in uPVC. When we started in India, we were only into uPVC, and basically the group, Profine Group, as well as personally on my side, I took the first plunge in this fenestration industry starting from uPVC and going into aluminium. So now today, most of the people, they are both aluminium and uPVC. But at that time, when I took that step, it was a very difficult one for me. But I always believed that we have to give choices to the market, choices to the consumers. We are not the ones who can dictate. The market is telling us what to do. So in terms of products, in terms of material, product remains the same. It's the door and window. But okay, we are giving more choices in terms of window material, uPVC and aluminium. So both have their advantages, both have their disadvantages. So I would not go into the advantages and disadvantages, but okay, as far as we are concerned, we are system suppliers. We are not there who are going into the market and selling it on, I'm sorry to use the word, kg basis. We are a company which are more there to give the market as a system. So whether it's the hardware, whether it's the gasket, so everything is under one solution. So both the options are working out very well in this market, and we have introduced a lot of good range in both the segments.
What are your thoughts on aluminum facade systems? I think you mentioned about facades also. So how do you see the adoption in India?
See, facade is a very integral part of the building, and door and window is one part, but facade is more like a design, more of an architecture which gives the aesthetic look to a building. And facade has been there since ages. But we have tried to take the facade into a next level. When I say next level, then see, right now most of the things are getting all slim. They only want to see the glass. Okay, so this is where we have done a lot of innovations. So in the facade, we have standard product range, but we are doing a lot of customized projects, a lot of bespoke solutions, where if anyone is asking for a special solution or a special facade, that also we are designing it. So we have a lot of range in facade. Again, that depends upon the consumers. So some are standard ones, some are customized ones. So facade is again going to be a very big game changer for us because earlier we were not into it. It's been 2 years since we got into this facade system. We acquired a company from Netherlands, which is known as European Facade Products, which has been a very renowned name in India as well as in the Middle East. And now we are trying to again rebrand it as Koemmerling. So this will be again a global positioning of facade products in the Koemmerling global scenario.
So one question that I wanted to ask was about the energy efficiency, because today energy efficient windows and systems and everywhere that is there. So what are your special offerings in that sector, or how are your windows and doors tailored to address this?
See, as far as uPVC is concerned, by nature or by the inherent properties, that is energy efficient windows. These are all thermal broken windows, so you don't have to do anything. But in aluminium, if you have to do it energy efficient, then you have to thermally broke it. So when you thermally break it, then you have to put a polyamide strip into this. Okay, so we are giving that option, but in terms of energy efficiency in aluminium, still this architects and the consultants, they have to take this very seriously. Okay, in terms of uPVC as a product, the thermal insulation is there, the energy efficiency is there. But in aluminium, like in Middle East and other parts of the world, we are all doing thermally broken windows, all energy efficient windows. So that is another step which this market will be seeing in coming future. As far as aluminium is concerned, we are giving it in the market, but okay, we are giving a choice, non-thermal and thermal. But we'll see a shift of it because now the weather getting aggressive, the heat becoming a lot hotter, cool becoming a lot colder. So we have to look for these energy efficient windows. As a system, we are doing it, but the competition also has to follow that.
So can you just give us an idea about the standards and certifications, both national and global level, that your products are certified for?
See, as far as the uPVC and aluminium range is concerned, we are adhering to EN norms, European norms. So we are completely in line with them. We are also adhering to the Indian standards, the IS norms. We also tell you that we are one of the few companies who are very much on board deciding the standards for the industry, for aluminium as well as for uPVC. So we are there in the BIS committee and all these things. As a company, we are right in the front, setting the standards, setting the benchmarks. So again, globally, because we are present in almost 68 countries, so every country has their own standards, like Australian standards, British standards, American standards. So country-wise also we follow different standards. But in India, we are following the EN standards and the IS standards.
Okay, great. So my last question on sustainability. So because that is taking center stage in every walk of life today. So how do you think, what are the sustainable practices that your company follows right from production? Are you using any recycled products or any technology that enhances the sustainable value? Can you walk us through that?
See, we were the first company in the world, and we have been one of the pioneers to take the sustainability topic as our core front. We were the first company in the world in uPVC not to use any lead and go for green product. That was calcium zinc stabilizer. At that time, that was a cost, but that was a cost which now everyone is paying. But we were the first initiators. So in terms of uPVC, we completely stopped lead. It was all calcium zinc stabilizer. So that was a complete green product, right from I think 1995, if I'm not wrong. So that's almost now, I would say 30 years. So we have been there launching this sustainability topic. Now comes the topic of recycling. Okay. So in our factory in Vadodara, forget about the global places. We are doing it on a very bigger scale. We are buying products and we are recycling it. So we are buying back windows and then we are making it into small pieces. Then we are doing it as small things and then putting it back into the process to make the finished profiles again. In India, we have a grinder wherein any offcuts, what the customers are also leaving when they are making the windows, we are buying back from them and we are putting it back into the process. Okay, right now the percentage of that recyclable product is 5% what we are putting in the virgin material. But globally, we are achieving 80%. So 80% of the product of the doors and windows, we are buying back and putting it back and then giving it again to the market. So this has been our core essence as far as recyclable is concerned. The same thing for aluminium also. The product is 100% recyclable. So sustainability is a topic which has been there with us for 3 decades now, and now the world is beginning to understand. But we have been quite ahead in this topic of sustainability. So nothing in the product, whatever we are producing, in terms of sheets also, all 100% recyclable. Okay, so it's all sustainable.
That was Mr. Farid Khan from Profine India. Thank you very much for your time and
you,
walking us through the products. Wish
Thank
you all
you.
the best.